Welcome, family. Nkiru here. I hope all is well with you and yours. I appreciate you all for being with us. Join me in the kitchen as I show you how to make this super delicious Nigerian meat pie. Let's cook. I will give you full list of ingredients in the description box. So pay special attention to watch how I create this delicious recipe. First, chop the potatoes. By the way, all the ingredients that needed to be washed were already pre-washed, including the potatoes and carrots. After cutting the potatoes, go ahead and chop the carrots. Dice them in smaller sizes because they are harder, and the potatoes will cook faster than the carrots. After prepping your ingredients, heat some oil in your pan. Saute the onions for about 4 to 5 minutes. Add a pinch of salt to it. After about 5 minutes, add minced garlic to the onion and continue to cook it for about 2 minutes. Next, add the ground beef. Ensure to break the lumps. Cook the ground beef for 8 to 10 minutes. Allow it to cook through until it starts to brown. After the beef has cooked through, ensure to drain excess fat before adding all the other ingredients. Add harder vegetable first, which is carrot, and cook it for about 2 minutes before you add the potatoes. Combine very well. Now add 3 cups of water. Cover the pot and cook for about 3 minutes before you add thyme. Thyme is dry herb, so you add it earlier so that it will release its fragrance and flavor. Then cover the pot again after combining very well. Check the potatoes and carrots. They are soft. Add the rest of the ingredients. Knorr powder, liquid aminos, cayenne pepper, and combine very well. It's crucial that you combine everything very well. Cover the pot and continue cooking for about 3 minutes. Check for salt and seasoning and adjust as needed. Y'all don't mind the cover for my wok. It doesn't have its own cover, so I use this. Now it's time to add the thickener. 2 tablespoons of homemade oat flour mixed with 4 tablespoons of water. Combine very well, and the sauce for the meat pie is ready. A major secret to the deliciousness of Nigerian meat pie is in the sauce. Get the sauce ready and your meat pie is out of this world. This is already delicious. Allow the sauce to cool while you mix the dough for the meat pie. Add all-purpose flour to your mixing bowl. Add a pinch of ground nutmeg and mix together. You may add half a teaspoon of salt. I did not, and I'm using unsalted butter. Mix it very well. This is how you know you have enough butter. You press it with one hand and the holes. Add 2 whole eggs and mix very well. Add half a cup of water. You may add more later if it's not enough. You don't want to add too much at a stretch. And mix the dough very well. The dough is ready. You don't want to overmix it because you don't want it to be stretchy. By the way, you can use your mixer to do the mixing, but I prefer to use my hands to do it today. Grease your baking pan with butter. Just knead the dough for a few seconds and use a roller pin to flatten it. You want the thickness to be really thin. You don't want it too thick because it will be like you're eating just flour. See it? That's how thin it is. You can use anything to cut your dough. I prefer to use my glass bowl because it's a circle. I want this shape. You can mold it into any shape you like. Flatten the circle thinner. Fill it in with the sauce, but don't add too much sauce because it will burst open in the oven. And cover it and use a fork dipped in water to seal the edges of the pie so that it doesn't open in the oven. Do the same thing until you finish molding the dough. Again, this is how thin it should be. If you're watching up to now and you haven't subscribed, my dear, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and activate the notification bell so you know when I post another delicious recipe. And share your comments, please. I enjoy getting your thumbs up. Thank you for your love and support. I appreciate you all. Now, after molding the pies, you coat the top with eggs, preferably egg white. This coating gives the pie some kind of glow. Set the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the pies for 20 minutes. Oh, goodness gracious, this is fantastic. The recipe is family approved. If you like this video, go ahead and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay blessed. Bye-bye.